Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019, on a 19 plate Hyundai I20 Premium Nav. This is the 1.2 petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in sleek silver metallic, and it's covered just 10,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this very low mileage, very high specification Hyundai, as you're now supposed to call it apparently, I20. August 2019 registered, just 10,000 miles. We've just bought the car privately from a gentleman who's owned the car from brand new, unfortunately no longer able to drive, so that's how we've acquired the car. So privately owned from new, 10,000 miles only, good service history, been serviced 3 times, so despite the low mileage, really well maintained. Excellent 5-door hatchbacks, these I20s. They sit in the middle of the range between the I10 and the I30, obviously. 5 doors, plenty of space, really sensible running costs, 50 plus miles to the gallon according to the manufacturer on a combined run. It's an 83 brake horsepower, 1.2 petrol engine with that 5-speed manual gearbox, low insurance group, and really looks a classy bit of kit in this sleek silver with the excellent looking 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. And this is the premium navigation model, so it's got a excellent specification as we have a look inside. All the seats in really good shape, the whole car's in lovely condition as you'd expect at the mileage. Really nice and clean and tidy inside, with those charcoal and lighter grey cloth seats. Remote central locking, it does come supplied with 2 remote keys. All the door cards are in good shape, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. You've got your original I20 carpet mats, and then as we start to make our way inside, you've got your lane assist up onto the steering wheel, which is in good shape. You've got controls for your cruise control, and it does have a speed limiter as well. There's your mileage, 10,170. On the other side of the steering wheel, you've got controls for your radio, you've got your Bluetooth controls. It does have automatic lights and automatic wipers. Down below we've got a centre armrest, manual handbrake, 2 cup holders. You've got start-stop facility which you can switch off. It's got front and rear parking sensors, which is a nice touch. Again, you can switch those off. 5-speed manual gearbox, and then down below we've got some more storage. You've got 2 12-volt sockets, you've got auxiliary input with USB input, you've got all your handbooks in the glove box there. And then if we start the car up, plenty of fuel, which is always nice. And then across to your infotainment setup, very straightforward. You've got climate control at the bottom, and then as we make our way above, you can use it as a touchscreen, but you can also use the buttons as well, so the choice is yours. We've got DAB digital radio, so this is the home page that will come up as standard, and then you can go into each of the individual settings if you want to. So you've got DAB digital radio, you've got satellite navigation. If you go into the menus, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, really straightforward to get along with. And if I put the car into reverse, to go along with your parking sensors, you've got a nice big reversing camera at the back as well. So excellent level of spec, easy to use. Obviously if we move into the rear, you've got the slightly darkened rear windows, 5-door practicality. Again, you've got your carpet mats in the back, electric windows in the rear as well, and then you've got 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, and of course the ISOFIX for the child seats. Not sure the rear seats have ever been sat in, to be truthful. Really nice condition throughout. And then into the boot space, impressive for a car of this nature. So you've got parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then we've got this twin layered boot space. Not much of a lip to negotiate on this top level. This lifts out, lifts up, lifts out. You can do whatever you want with that to give you some more space. And then underneath you've got your luxury of a get your home spare wheel. So really well thought out car. August 2019 I20 Premium Nav petrol with a manual gearbox, 10,000 miles from just the one owner, with a good service history. Really good looking car. Very sensible running costs. Finance is available from less than £240 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT. We'll also be servicing the car, and it does come with 2 remote keys along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us for our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really nice looking car, good value for money, cracking level of specification. I'm sure this one won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.